Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Google Pay, manage mobile payments step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Google Play Store and search for Google Pay. If you do not have it installed, tap Install and wait until the download is finished. If it is already installed, tap Open to launch the app. When Google Pay opens, tap Get Started or Sign In if you see those options. Choose the Google account you want to use, or tap Use another account to add a different one. Enter your Google email address and tap Next. Type your password carefully and tap Next to continue. If you use two-step verification, confirm the code or approval request to finish signing in. Allow any required permissions if the app asks, such as camera access for card scanning. Review the Google Pay terms and tap Accept to proceed. On the home screen, look for the profile icon or your account picture at the top. Tap the profile icon to confirm you are signed in with the correct account. If the account is wrong, tap the account menu and select the correct Google account. Next, go back to the main screen and tap Add a payment method if prompted. Choose credit or debit card to add a card for payments. Scan your card with the camera or enter the card number, expiry date, and CVC manually. Type your billing address details exactly as they appear on your bank records. Tap Save or continue to submit the card information. Verify your card using the method shown, such as SMS code, email, or banking app approval. If your bank requires it, complete any additional security steps to activate the card. To manage mobile payments, tap Payment Methods to view your saved cards. Select the card and tap Set as default if you want it to be your main payment option. To use Tap to Pay, open your phone settings and make sure NFC is turned on. In Google Pay, confirm that contactless setup is enabled if your region supports it. For in-store payments, unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. Wait for the confirmation on your screen that the payment was completed. If you have login issues, update Google Pay and Google Play services. Then try signing in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.